Hello everyone, our next reagent is sodium bis 2-methoxy-ethoxy aluminum hydride. The sodium bis 2-methoxy aluminum hydride is a commercially available reducing agent with the trade name Red-Al. It is more selective than lithium aluminum hydride, and the reduction can be carried out in aromatic hydrocarbon as well as ether solvent. It is introduced by the Witt in 1967. It is the most stable reducing agent till the date. It is stable at the 200 degrees Celsius. The reduction is possible with the help of this reagent at the 200 degrees Celsius. This reagent is inert in the presence of water. The ethanol as well as the ether are the best solvent for this reagent. Now we will see the reactivity of the Red-Al. When the aliphatic carbonic compound reacted or treated with this Red-Al, the alcohol will form. When the carbonyl compounds attach to the aromatic rings, only when the electron releasing group attached to the aromatic ring, the hydrocarbons will form. This type of reduction is like the Wolff-Kishner reduction or the Clemmensen reduction. Always remember that when is the ester, amide, acid halide and nitrile treated with the Red-Al, aldehyde will form, and when the imines and the iminium salt reacted with the Red-Al, amines will be formed. When the geminal dihalide present in the substrated monohalogen derivative is formed. What happened when the lithium aluminum hydride reacted with the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds? The reaction is totally temperature dependent, but in the case of Red-Al, the reaction is different. When the Red-Al is treated with the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, only the carbonyl group get reduced, but the double bond is reduced when the copper bromide is present in the reagent. So remember always alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds is treated with Red-Al in the presence of copper and bromide, only the double bond get reduced. Now we will move towards some example. Here the aliphatic carbonyl compound group is present. It is aldehyde. So as we learn, the aldehyde group is converted to the alcohol. Here also the same. This is the aliphatic carbonyl compound which is reduced to the alcohol group. In the next example, geminal dihalide are present. So when it treated with the Red-Al, the one bromide get reduced and the hydrogen is present here. So when the cyanide group is present in the substrate, it is reduced to the aldehyde group. This